Otter is a beautiful and lively animal that lives in wetlands all over the world. Otter is a semi-aquatic animal, which is often found in rivers, lakes, or streams, on the banks or even in rice fields. And there are many places on the banks of lakes and where the water flows gently. Otter is good at swimming and diving. Its soft body and long tail can reduce the resistance of moving in the water. When swimming in, its forelimbs are close to its body, and it is propelled by water with its hind legs and tail, and it also acts as a rudder. Otters swim very fast, and they are very flexible in lifting and steering. Otter loves to play and often stands up by treading water, making its head and neck stand out of the water, watching the distance, or climbing up and down the slope of the river bank, sliding and rolling on the ice and the snow, etc. These behaviors make its response more acute and its hunting skills more acquisite. When otters walk on land, they mainly crawl, slide, roll, and jump intermittently with their bellies against the ground, and stumble on thin ice or shallow slope, and immediately get into ice caves or snow to escape when encountering enemy damage. When meeting the night, it is not as stop for a minute as other nocturnal animals, but looks back while running away, showing a strange appearance. Due to habitat destruction, loss of prey, road hunting, and illegal trade in fur and pets, otter species are decreasing. The last Wednesday of May is World Otter Day every year. World Otter Day was founded in 2014 to highlight the threats faced by otters and support efforts to protect them. On World Otter Day, people can celebrate the day by donating or volunteering to join wildlife organizations such as the International Otter Survival Fund. Spreading awareness about otters, their behaviors, and the threats they face can greatly help conservation work. The organization raises funds through special events, social media activities, and sponsorship programs. These funds are used to establish otter reserves, curb poaching, and advocate new conservation measures. The last Wednesday in May is World Otter Day. This is a painting we drew with oil pastels for this special day. Happy World Otter Day! Cheers!